Yemi, Chef Yemi the cook. How has your week been? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Today I am going to be making plantain akara, which is a plantain ball, and I am going to be making plantain moi moi. You know, this is another version still on my plantain series. What do we need for plantain akara and plantain moi moi? We need plantains. They are the main ingredients. These are the green and the yellow. You can use green plantain or yellow plantain, which is a ripe one. So this is just getting to ripe. It's not ripe properly. And I'm using the green plantain. Why am I using the green plantain? For the akara or the moi moi, it's more starchy. When it gets this type, when it's yellow, it's then more sugary and the starch content is lower. And for you to get that shape, that molding for the akara and the moi moi, you need to use the green plantain. But in my house we like sweet, so that's why I'm adding this, which is optional, the yellow one. What am I needing? Basically, you need your oil, you need your cayenne pepper to your taste, chicken bouillon seasoning, a spoon to your taste. This is always to your taste, and salt to your taste. The only thing you need here is salt to your taste. You need a kind of pepper, and I'm using the bell pepper, the habanero pepper, onion, scallion, which I've chopped here for this, and salt to your taste, and the oil. So let me start this recipe. If you have not liked my channel, if you are not following me yet, please, what are you waiting for? Like, subscribe, follow, and press the notification bell. Thank you for being with me. So I've chopped all the plantains for the moi moi and the akara, and I have the onions and the pepper in here. I'm going to take it to the blender. Inside the plantain, the green plantain, I've blended it, and that's it. I'm preparing for the moi moi and the akara. So I'm putting my scallion and my pepper. That's optional. I have my spoon of chicken bouillon. To mix it, and I'm going to take some of it for the akara, and I need to put some salt in it. So I'll put a teaspoon of salt. Don't forget to taste your food. Everything is optional except for the salt. Okay, so taste. Perfect. So, okay, I'm taking some out of the akara. That's about enough. So I'm gonna put like 1.5 cooking spoon of oil in my moi moi. Have some sardines from the can, which I've put in the bowl. So I'm going to put some hot water here, because when you do your moi moi, you want it to be loose. So you can put this in your blender to blend, or you can put in your mixer to mix, or you can use your hand like that. So I'm going to get the hot water and put the hot water. So I'm going to put like half a cup of water in it. So for the plantain moi moi, I have mixed it as much as I want to, and I think it's all right. So I'm gonna put. I bought this container. You can use any container. I bought at the dollar store. It's 5 for $1. So I'm gonna do so, and when I'm done, I'll put my sardine on top. So this is our plantain moi moi. I have completed the green plantain moi moi. It's beautiful, it's very tasteful, it's sumptuous, it's delicious. It's a very simple process. I really hope you try it, and I hope you try it and share with your family and enjoy it. Thank you for tuning in to Yemizkitchen. Please don't forget to like, follow, share, interact with me. Show me some of the things you've been doing, and tell me if you try this recipe, and share the picture. Tag me on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube. Love you so much. Don't forget, happiness is a choice, and choose to be happy. Well, Kete, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, olólùfẹ́ Yemizkitchen, mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé mi bí mo ṣe ń ṣe àwọn oúnjẹ yìí, oríṣiríṣi oúnjẹ. Mo dúpẹ́. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti tẹ̀lé wa torí a tún ṣì máa ṣe míì. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀. Ẹ gbádùn ẹ̀. Èmi lọmọ yín tòótọ́, Yemizkitchen. Mo ti ṣe moi moi ẹlẹ́mi méje pẹ̀lú ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ dúdú. Oya, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ jẹ. Ẹ gbádùn ẹ̀. Love and love you. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.